Hey guys, welcome back. I have got some things going on here. I've got my new Color Rush Studio kit for March 2026, and I did a little prep with my kit, which is what I kind of tend to do when I get new product in. So let me show you some things I did. I went through all kinds of our papers, which are amazing. And I fussy cut out things that I would want to have fussy cut out in advance. There's a couple things I was like, do I want to yet? I don't know. And yes, so I did create a lot of scraps from the get-go. And you can see them right here. But all of these things are so pretty and so usable to do tucking in on things that I'm so happy I did. And I just kind of did that when I was like, you know what? Let me sit back and chill and do this. Great. Then there was a couple of the pieces that I fussy cut that I just dropped something. Where is it? Okay. That I thought would be really cute if I just added some glossy bits to. I'm like, okay, why not? This piece right here had a piece that looked like a staple on it. So I just put in a real one and glossied up the heart. Cute little camera has glossy bits. The larger version of the camera has glossy stuff. And you guys, look at these phones, these rotary phones. I love them. So this one, I did the glossy stuff in the center, and this one on all of the dial bits. That if you didn't have a phone, you had to go and pull it back and hope you did it right. Otherwise, you'd have to start again. My Lanta. Okay, then we have these great wood veneer pieces, and I just went ahead and took some acrylic markers and tried to color match okay, and I colored them in because it's fun. Yes, this cherry is orange. This set of cherries is pink. Totally matches perfectly. Well, pretty darn good. I've got my little pear and this super pretty flower. So that was kind of homework I gave myself ahead of time because it's so darn fun. So that's my goodies I came up with. I fussy cut the things. I have all of these papers not yet cut into, but I have 3 layouts to do for design team. And then you guys know I will be like creating all this stuff with this afterwards. Let me fix my cord. It's bothering me. I'll be doing all this other stuff afterwards too, because that's just what I do. I like to use my full kits. Now, super fun. We now are doing a sketch of the month with a little twisteroo. So here is our sketch, and the twist is going to be to create a patchwork pattern. So we've got this for our sketch, and I think it's super fun. You can totally see all of these gorgeous patterns that we have in the kit. So I'm like, this one's really blocky, which I love. Don't get me wrong, yum. But I also really am vibing. It has 2 photos. I'll use one. It's fine. I'm also vibing the idea. So use a patchwork pattern. And then I got inspired by this when I saw, oh, but wait, let me see. It's purpley. We have this piece right here, and it reminded me of patchwork. It's from Simple Stories, Crafty Things. So what I'm going to do is I am going to just cut it and then sew it back together. Why? I don't know. And the reason why I thought about this, or the moment I saw this paper, I thought about this photo here, which we can see we are in a lot of Russian sage. Yes, we are. Northern Michigan. I think this is at the Bry's Winery because they have gorgeous flowers there. But I was just like, oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. I'm kind of liking it like this, where it goes out from me. Might not have that teal piece in when we're done. We're going to see how it goes. Okay, so now we need a paper to attach it to when we're done. I could do the black and white. That's a doable idea. Let's see what else we have. Let's see. Ooh, the orange is great. I love. Ooh. Oh, no wonder I like it so much. It's the other side. I'm going to put it on here. And the reason why is I love this place. And I'm going to leave a nice little border around it. Great. And then my photo, she has one here and one here. So I'm going to have this. But what I could do, she has 2 like big pieces. I could do something like this. Ooh, and then I might, well, I don't know if I'll fussy cut it or not. I could do that. There's also a big piece here, and that could be gorgeous. So I could have this down here. I'm gonna mat this on a scrap of white cardstock from my stash. Right now, I'm looking at these pieces. Ooh, if I did this, I could have this. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have this big honking piece that I fuzzy cut. Then I'll have this one up here because it totally looks like the sketch. Now, that means I'll have title here and, you know, like as many embellishments as I can squeeze on. Now, let me move this to the side for now. I also will be matting my photo, like I said, on white cardstock, but I'm gonna see if I can grab any of the other scraps to mat it as well. So if title goes here, live in color, I'm not doing orange yet. Made to shine, I love. Sparkle, okay. You are awesome. Probably shouldn't say that about me, but it's kind of funny. I am a proud mama, but that had nothing to do with my children. So I could, you guys, what if I do you are awesome about me? Stop. Okay, well, when in Rome. So we'll do that. Now, you guys, oops, I see I have some spilled sequins. That's not easy to say. Some spilled sequins over here. So I love these big pieces that we have. And look at that color match. So I can do a little tuckaroo on a couple things. Oh, there's the purple. There is the purple. So I'm definitely going to bring 3 of them in. Let's see. We don't really have the blue. I like the yellow and the purple. The pink. Ooh. So I think I will do, I already did yellow. So I will do pink and purple will come in on this. So I'll have 3 different colors and then I'll have 3 for a different layout. I love that. You guys, I need to get these things down because I know I have a lot going on. This piece right here is just ending in no man's land. So I may be doing something like that to kind of hide the end. No biggie. And then you guys, so homework. We have a title. I love this. And I like that we have these cute little pieces that go with it because I can sprinkle these around on different parts of the layout and it kind of brings that tone all together, which now makes me need this color here. I'll put it in. It'll be great. So, my intention is to leave the smallest little amount between these pieces so it shows like a big old stitch line. Or actually, do I need to do that? I could just stitch right down the line. Save myself a little bit of heartache. Okay, that makes more sense to me. So, you guys, I literally have homework to do. So, I'm going to go ahead and do that stuff we just talked about. I need to mat this in white. I need to sew all over this. I'm going to use black thread because, that's what's in my sewing machine most of the time. And then I'll meet you right back, guys. I have done lots and lots of homework. I'm trying to get this bar out of your view. Okay. It's not happening. Oh, that's better. So I have got all of these things tacked down. I'm just going ahead and getting a little bit of liquid adhesive. Ooh, I like the matte side just as much as I do the shiny side. I'm just getting a little liquid adhesive on my acrylic piece. And then I adore these itty bitty pieces. So we're going to make sure that they get a lot of play. Now I want this You Are Awesome to actually be squared off. So let's just go ahead and do that because I have so much on the wonk that sometimes I'm like, okay, we need something to settle. So yes, we have decided in this situation that the you that is awesome happens to be me. All right, so let's do shiny side in this too. And then what I can do is now I'm going to see if there's anything else I want to add. I have got clearly the base down and I wanted to show you guys something too. All right, perfect. Like that. Okay. So we've got our shakers, which I love, down. We have got our acrylic piece, these really big pieces that I fuzzy cut out. And I didn't tell you this paper that I'm using the front and back of, it is called Crafty Things Get Creative by Simple Stories. Okay. I wanted to tell you that before I chucked it Now, I don't think I'm going to use wood veneer as well, although I could. Oh, you guys, and I have a bunch of gorgeous sequins. I have to remember that I want to do some liquid adhesive action with that. But I thought I would go ahead and see. Oh, I love this. I just love this. I don't even know which way it goes. Oh, it goes like this. So I'm like at this point looking, going, okay, what can I tuck? What could be kind of fun? Ooh, we can bring in a little bit more of that orangey tone. We can, do we want to? Oh, you guys, and the pattern papers that I matted this with, they were from all of those scraps where I had gone ahead and previously fussy cut some things. Okay, I like this because it's going to hang over my title a tiny bit. That makes me happy. I don't need this, but I love it. I like all of the things. I want to use every single thing all at once, and I know that's not really like, you know, possible, but I do love to do that. Oh, that's just like that little piece there. I had a punch that actually was the right size for those. I was very excited about that idea. So if I've got a button looking thing there, what if, you guys, I cannot pick them up. What if I go ahead, there's a turquoisey one. Let's go ahead and kind of tuck a yellow one there. So right now I have the two clusters. I kind of feel like I need to do a little mini cluster here. Now that's not necessarily in the sketch, but the sketch is there to inspire us. It doesn't have to be the full boss of us. Oh, my Lanta. Okay, that takes care of that really, really quickly. Love it, because this one doesn't have to be a super bold something, something. I just want something there. I hope that makes sense. You guys, I haven't even shown you. I also have, it's like, oh, but wait. Guys, I have got foamy alphas, but I don't need to use it this time. We'll look at it next time. I have got this bit of titles and foam words and things. I can't really do brighter with you. I already got a little goofy with the you are awesome when it's me. You know, and I would use that, but I already have all this really fun, strong black around it. So maybe I'll resist there, but I'm wondering about tucking it right under here and not have all of it. Just like it goes to right about to this point. So pretty much what I'm saying is at this point, you guys, this is just all fun. We're going to be tucking stuff and seeing what we can shimmy in there to help tell our story, and it is all fun. All fun. Okay, definitely love that. It gave it just a little more oomph. Love. Oh, I like this pink too. Ooh, I wonder. Okay, instead of wondering, let's just go for it, right? And I think I'm running out of adhesive on this dispenser because that's what it likes to do if I am recording. All right, what if I try to shimmy this one under here? Okay, we can shim. That one has been shimmed. Then I was thinking, look at this pink one with the text. Isn't it pretty? And I'm thinking we can have a double shim right here. Yes, we can. So we have that. Let me go ahead and get, come on, come on, last, just while we're filming. Oh, it's being a booger. It's very technical. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get just a little bit of foam here. And, you know, I'm just tucking that part we're not going to be seeing right under there, and what? It looks gorgeous. We've got our fun little button that I'm trying to decide. Do I want it? Yeah, I'm gonna have it flat because it's flat on this piece up here. So I'm gonna do a little tiny bit of continuity with that. You guys, this is trifling. All right, so I'm gonna have that like this little bit kind of hanging out there. That's everything's tacked down there. We have to tack this down. Basically means I'm getting my adhesive on it while I struggle and faff. You guys, this is almost done. and I'm pretty happy about it. Okay, love that big light bulb. There's so many elements in here that I am vibing on that I really can't wait to do the next layout. Now, the last thing I'm going to look at with you is, you guys, look at this. This house makes me think of these pictures I have of that my daughter sent me of their bathroom remodel, and I would like to do that. So there are roughly 5 million things on here that I absolutely think are fab. So I'm going to use these little black hearts because they're incredible. Kind of created a nice little cluster there. A little cluster, and I'm here for it. Little cluster action. I'm gonna bring that all around town, here, there, and everywhere. So I've got that heart. Why don't I go ahead and do just kind of the same thing so that cluster works the same way. Love that. Ooh, I have room for a little bit of wordy bits. You the best. Okay. I'm really like, oh, hello sunshine's funny because it was full on sun. Oh, but I could also do, oh, I kind of like the blue vibe with the blue. So I'm going to go ahead and just tuck that under there. Cute. And I can put a few little sequins there to make it look like, you know, it's on purpose, that it wasn't done at the end of the party. So I do like, we have wordy bits there. We have a title. I've got this here. I think at this point, I just need to go ahead and have some fun popping all kinds of sequins on. So because I like you guys so much, I'm not going to make you watch it because it might be the most boring thing on the planet for you to ever watch. I am trying to find my new little gluey stick though. Not gluey stick. You know, it's kind of waxy. It kind of works, kind of doesn't, whatever. So I'm going to get all that on there. You guys, I'm going to come back, show you this all finished up, and we will get some still shots. Oh, and guys, I will end up having a link down below, which is an affiliate link. Lets them know basically that I sent you, and they might keep me on the team, which is always a good thing. If you're not into affiliates, you know, just go to colorrushstudio.com, grab yourselves a sub and extra goodies. Also for the Facebook group, so you can see everything going on with design team and the rest of the subscribers, and we can see what you guys do with the sketch. Anyway, let me get all my sequins on, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, this is just plain fun. So many different textures and elements and sparkly bits between shakers and foam and sequins. We've got acrylics. I think it is just a hoot. Love it. Okay, guys, I'm going to have some still shots and all the links like we talked about, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.